The UK Ministry of Defence released a video confirming that Britain had previously supplied Ukraine with 8 Raven air defence systems back in 2022. Colonel Ollie Todd of the Royal Marines further disclosed that 5 more units are scheduled for prompt delivery, reinforcing Britain's unwavering support for Ukraine's air defence posture amid its ongoing war with Russia. The Raven system, a distinctly British innovation tailored to meet Ukraine's pressing battlefield challenges, is built atop the Supacat HM606x6 platform, originally developed for elite military operations. With its high mobility and quick setup time, the system is particularly suited for dynamic frontline deployments where rapid threat response is critical. At the core of Raven's firepower lies the ASRAAM missile, an infrared-guided, supersonic projectile once exclusively mounted on advanced fighter aircraft such as the F-35 and Eurofighter Typhoon. Re-engineered for ground-based use, this missile now arms Ukraine's mobile defense units, offering precision interception of low-flying threats including drones, helicopters, and cruise missiles. Though ground-launched ASRAAMs have a shorter range than their air-launched counterparts, they retain their speed, exceeding Mach 3, and deliver pinpoint accuracy thanks to modern infrared targeting and sophisticated guidance systems. In tandem with Raven's onboard sensors and tracking units, this configuration forms a lethal shield against aerial incursions. The system's versatility allows it to engage a broad variety of airborne adversaries. Ukrainian units equipped with Raven can effectively counter Russian Su-25 jets, Ka-52 attack helicopters, and an expanding array of unmanned aerial systems. Raven is also well positioned to neutralize cruise missile attacks targeting vital Ukrainian infrastructure. Nicknamed Frankensam by Ukrainian crews and Western analysts, the Raven system exemplifies battlefield creativity. The moniker, a blend of Frankenstein and surface-to-air missile, aptly describes a hybrid platform built from disparate components, a Supacat chassis, an adapted ASRAAM launcher, and targeting systems retrofitted from other British military assets. This modular approach to system design enabled British engineers to bypass long development cycles, delivering a viable weapon to Ukraine in record time. Every subsystem, from communications to fire control, has been purpose-fit into the vehicle's architecture, producing a combat-ready solution from existing stockpiles and proven tech. The Raven is more than just a missile launcher, it's an integrated combat system. It houses modular electronics, armored crew compartments, and networked command interfaces, enabling smooth cooperation with Ukraine's broader air defense framework. Its interoperability ensures real-time data sharing and coordinated threat responses across multiple units. Britain's military support to Ukraine has evolved significantly since the full-scale invasion in 2022. By early 2025, London had pledged over £10.8 billion in defence aid, with annual contributions expected to continue at a rate of £3 billion. These packages have consistently prioritized air defense enhancements. Among earlier deliveries were Starstreak high-velocity missiles, designed to intercept high-speed, low-altitude targets. These were paired with Stormer armored vehicles, which mount multiple Starstreak launchers for enhanced mobility and survivability. The UK also dispatched Martlet missiles, optimized for countering lightweight aerial threats such as drones. In another demonstration of resourcefulness, Britain introduced the Gravehawk system, a reconfiguration of surplus R-73 Soviet-era missiles for ground-based launches. This provided a low-cost, high-volume defense against drones and loitering munitions, maximizing utility from outdated yet serviceable weaponry. The delivery of the Raven and its ground-launched ASRAAMs marks a shift in military assistance strategy. Instead of relying solely on conventional platforms or new production, the UK has taken the lead in adaptive warfare engineering, repurposing air combat tools into ground-based solutions to meet urgent operational needs. These rapid innovations allow Ukraine to deploy effective systems faster and at lower cost, giving them a technological edge without delay. The Raven project, in particular, exemplifies this ethos, leveraging existing hardware in novel configurations to keep pace with the changing nature of modern aerial warfare. Systems like Raven represent more than just hardware, they reflect a broader philosophy of agile military support. Their continued deployment helps Ukraine maintain control of its airspace and protect its population from persistent missile and drone attacks, while also signaling Western commitment to long-term defense collaboration. As Ukraine braces for further escalations, the arrival of more Raven units stands to play a pivotal role in its defensive capabilities. The UK's blend of tactical innovation and material support has already shifted the battlefield equation, providing Ukraine with not only the tools to defend but also the resilience to adapt and endure.